In this video, you'll learn how to generate ideas using Kimi AI. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effectively utilize this powerful tool for brainstorming and creativity. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface showcasing various options available for users. Ensure you are on the correct site before proceeding to the next step. Next, locate the option labeled New Chat on the main interface. This can usually be found prominently displayed. Click on this button to initiate a new conversation with Kimi AI. After clicking, wait for the chat window to open, which will allow you to start interacting with the AI. Now, think of a prompt that you would like Kimi AI to generate ideas around. This prompt should be clear and specific to get the best results. For instance, you might want to focus on a topic such as technology, art, or business. Having a well-defined prompt is crucial for effective idea generation. After you have your prompt in mind, type it into the chat box. An example could be, give me ideas on computer technology. Once you've entered your prompt, review it to ensure clarity and completeness. This step is important as it sets the foundation for the ideas that the AI will generate. Once your prompt is ready, look for the button labeled Generate within the chat interface. Click on this button to send your prompt to Kimi AI. After clicking, you may see a brief loading indicator as the AI processes your request. Wait for the results to populate in the chat window. After a moment, Kimi AI will provide you with a list of ideas based on your prompt. Review these suggestions carefully. The generated ideas can serve as inspiration for your projects, discussions, or further research. This is an excellent way to harness the creativity of AI to expand your thinking. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.